fish in a small pond. I'm like a frog in a puddle. I'm hoping she's staring at me, not her reflection. Cause little she knows I'm a prince and we belong in a castle. If I could speak to her, I'd ask her to bring me back to life again. A simple kiss could break right through my heart. You can. Would you bring me back to life? Once upon a time, you lived the man that ruled the world. It's hard to believe, but that was me. Would you bring me back to life? Life. Whoa, yeah. Thinking of ways to convince her the fairy tales do exist, yeah. If she could break this spell, our love would be a storybook. You don't have to wait for the right day. Take me now, let's rewrite the pages. I'm ready to show the world we'll rain on our parade. So, baby, hurry, come and wake me from a deep sleep. I've been living in this nightmare. Feels like for a million years. Nothing difficult to this. Just press your lips against my lips. All the way, let's go. I need your CPR. I wanna feel my pulse again. Don't be scared to give it. You can make life flow through my veins again. Look into me, in a small pond, like a frog in a puddle. She broke the spell just in time and brought me back to life.